Hello, my beautiful people. So, y'all know I'm super busy dealing with a lot of things right now. I'm gonna do some chicken enchiladas for my daughter, and I'm gonna go ahead and record it for you guys. So, let me show you guys what we got so far, because it's just enchiladas for her. Right here we have a breast of chicken. As you guys can see, we're gonna cook it for about 45 minutes. I'm getting ready to go ahead and toast some chilies. So right here we're gonna use 3 of Guajillo, about 7 of California, and I'm even gonna use 2 of the New Mexico. I'm gonna go ahead and use a morrita because it's got that smoky flavor. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel these, take out all the seeds, and we're gonna go ahead and cook them, I think, with 1 tomato and half an onion, and we're gonna do 3 garlics, but we're gonna go ahead and toast them first. We're gonna go ahead and remove the onions and the garlic, you guys, only, and then we're gonna roast the chilies. Let's roast the chilies, make sure you guys don't burn them, and then we're gonna boil it with our tomato. And over here we have our onion and garlic, and we're gonna put a little pinch of cumin and some clavo powder, just a pinch of both, and a little chicken bouillon, okay? But we're gonna boil this for about 5-10 minutes. Okay, let's boil this for 5-10 minutes. Chicken bouillon, a teaspoon. A little bit of flour, just a little pinch. Okay, so let's move this. Okay, let's go ahead and strain the sauce. I totally forgot.
It's good.
By the way, you guys, in the blender with all the chilies, we put 1 tortilla. Hubby threw in a tortilla in there, and he said it's going to make the sauce taste better, okay?
Tortilla too.
Look at this.
Became like
beautiful sauce. Beautiful. Homemade. Okay, so this is the consistency we want. We put a tortilla in there in the blender, and we did a pinch, like a little teaspoon of flour, you guys. Beautiful sauce.
The enchiladas on the cans, it tells you right there what they have. And it says red peppers.